I really like having a dock for my iPony, so I just, leave it on the desk or near the bed. But what I don't like is that if I want to use the phone and charge it at the same time, I can't, because I want to have like the cable attached to the phone while I use it. So it would be nice to have a dock with a detachable charging cable, but I don't think it exists, and if it does, I didn't find it. So I want to make my own, and I have like different designs that I thought about, but I'm thinking more like a simple cylinder shaped thing, kind of like a USB hub. So something like that. They're shaped like this. It looks like it's turned, but it actually doesn't do shit. Sorry. And then I have the lightning cable here and another one. So I have the cable here that I can detach, and this is attached to the plug. And then I have the male here for the phony. So I can decide if I want to use the cable or the dock. I want to make it out of aluminum. Let's see how I do it. We already made the connections because this was pretty much a mess to make. You might ask, where did you find the female port? And I know that's kind of difficult to find. I found it in China. So I made the other part, and I just have to make the dock. It should work. We tested, it works. Basically, this is the design I made. This is the base, so I have space for all the cables and a secret compartment. My friend Dustin would agree. That's what's going to be. This is the socket for the 2 ports that we already made. Then we should connect everything, and it might actually work. We'll see. Now I have a part. This is going to be like the lower side of the top part. So I need to remove this waste material in a second operation. So, and do the holes and stuff. I think it's gonna work, but we'll see. Now to do the second operation, I need to indicate the part again. Because since the diameter has changed, even like 0.5 millimeter. Now the part is like 0.5 millimeter positive in the Y direction. So I need to indicate it again and find the center. Otherwise, it's not going to be accurate. looks promising. Okay, ready for the last operation, which is just the pre-drilling. Tool 9, yes. Okay, I'd rather do these holes by hand, just because I might change something. But yeah, the first part is basically done. Now I'm gonna do the second part, the bottom part, off camera, because I mean it's basically the same thing. And then I'll see you when I'm done. And here I have both parts. They came out pretty nice. They meet, it turns, and it actually doesn't do anything. For today, it's done. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try to sandblast it and see what kind of finish I can do. Oh, also I need to drill the part. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.